Say time for the Easter egg hunt.
Time for the Easter egg hunt.
Where could they be?
I found one.
Oh, you found that one right away. Wow. Where could they be?
I found one.
Show me which one it is. Wow, that's a pretty one. Where could they be?
I see one.
Good job.
Keep looking.
Mommy, wanna find one?
You have to keep looking. Good job. Wow, you're finding a lot. Wow, you found another one. Good job. You found a lot already.
And now we gotta find the others.
Yeah, you have to find the others. Where could they be?
I see one behind the picture.
Oh, wow. Good looking. Where else could they be? They're all in the living room, I think.
I think.
You found another one? Wow.
Where is it?
I think you found most of them. There's probably only a couple left.
Where is it? In here?
I don't see any.
Will you find one, Daddy?
I don't know. I might look over by the window if I were you. Oh, yeah, there's one.
And another one. I see. Do I see it? I got it.
Maybe over by the window. Did you check on the window?
Yeah.
Wow.
And there's another one here.
I think there might be one more left. You know what? I think the Easter Bunny likes to read magazines.
Why?
I don't know. But he likes to read magazines, so maybe he was reading magazines. Maybe there's an egg near the magazines. Wow, you found it. Can you count them for me? I think that might be all of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
No, you have more than 6.
There's one more to go. There's one more to go.
Okay, well, let's look for it. I think that might be all of them.
I think there's one more.
Oh yeah, maybe there is one more.
They're all in the living room, Emma.
Why are they in the living room? I barely see one. Can you see one?
I think you saw it. You're getting close. You're getting warm. Now cold, now warm. Keep looking over by the window. Look a little this way to the left. On the table. Good job. Great one. I think that's all of them. Say Happy Easter.
Happy